Hoyos, our MVP of the match. Back-to-back yan. Tingnan natin ang ating set number 1 highlights.
Well, here in our first set, nakita talaga natin na dikitan yung laro nila with exchanges of palo, blockings, and good defense here coming from both teams. But still, UST emerging victorious in this set.
And of course, para sa Letran Lady Knights, they were really trying to introduce themselves during the first set. As pumunta naman tayo dito sa ating set number 2, magandang simula din yan para sa Lady Knights. Pero syempre, maganda din ang naging distribution ng kanilang rookie setter ng UST, courtesy of Yana Ricafort.
And dito talaga natin nakita na hindi talaga naglayo yung score ng Letran doon sa UST. And they almost got a chance to win this set if not for that crucial call.
Yes, sobrang naging madikit talaga yung laban ng set 2. Pero set number 3, complete consistency at dominance ang pinakita nitong UST. Parang gusto na talaga nilang tapusin ang larong ito.
And we saw a different side of Letran as well compared to those last 2 sets. But naging issue pa din nila dito sa third set na to, yung kanilang pasa. And nakita natin ang daming rallies and even long balls na try mag-save ng UST.
Depensa ang naging puhunan dito ng UST Golden Tigresses. Kaya sila talaga ang nanalo dito, led by their team captain, Det Pepito. 25-21, 25-23, and 25-14.